Well, happy Friday and welcome to the Daily Dose of Direction by Diane. Can you believe it? We've made another week of this isolation, quarantine, working from home. I've totally lost count. Is it 8 weeks? I don't know, maybe 9. But what I have found is that we are surviving and each one of us are changing just a little bit. I've been trying to bring you some relative information each day that might help consumers and both people pursuing real estate. But I had a couple calls yesterday that gave me an idea of something that might be helpful. I have addressed this earlier, but it's been weeks ago in one of my little daily doses. But I had a couple calls yesterday, people saying, I was told that though I was searching for real estate, that I need to sit back and wait now because rules and guidelines have changed and I no longer will qualify for a mortgage. Well, they had been reading the paper and they had been hearing what some of the bank strategies were. So let me just clarify that. There's basically 4 ways you can go about getting a mortgage. You can go to a bank, you can go to a credit union, you can go to a mortgage broker, you can go to a direct lender. Banks and credit unions right now, I don't think are highly focused on lending money to buy a house. Matter of fact, some of the major banks have changed their criteria, and unless you have a 700 credit score, you cannot get a loan. So let's X those off the list, a mortgage broker and a direct lender. Mortgage brokers have the opportunity to place your loans in a variety of different places. So they can find those that actually do still hold to the 580 credit score. Direct lenders, they have their own way of lending money and they have different programs. Particularly these two people who call me were first-time home buyers. So they would love to qualify maybe for some special incentives. So the message and moral to the story today is do not stop your searching. Do not think that because this pandemic has hit us that your dreams stop. They don't. There's still people lending money. If you want more specific questions, please never hesitate to private message me. Reach out to people that you know. But bottom line is you can still get money. You can still get mortgages. It's still tremendously low interest rates, and the timing is fine for those of you who truly want and need to purchase a home. Have a great weekend. Hope this is helpful. Any questions, never hesitate. Look forward to seeing you back here on Monday.